pineapple is how you get your own breath. You roll from your belly onto your back. The mistake I often find beginners are making is they'll do this. They'll pull both arms at the same time. Don't do that. You also don't need to, and I don't see beginners doing this, but you don't need to pull one arm, kick, 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 and then pull the other. It's one after the other. So smooth rolling. I'll show you what it looks like in practice now. Watch me. Okay, now notice too, that I don't lift up when it's time to roll. Okay, that's another mistake a lot of beginners will make. So they'll do something like this. If you lift up to roll, you will go back down underwater with your face up, and it's gonna be a horrible experience. So when you roll, you're just thinking about literally turning your body, not lifting your body, turning it, rolling it. Okay, you stay on the x-axis. Don't travel up the y-axis. Stay on the x-axis. Watch me one more time before you try one on your own. That's all right.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Hold a roll. A little bit of water over the face. Just not ready. Good. Now, I kind of thought that was gonna happen. I thought maybe she was gonna get water on her face when she rolled, because you're starting to roll a little high. You're starting to come up on the y-axis.
Up or something, like you said.
Yeah, you're starting to lift on the y-axis as you roll. So then you come up and then you fall in. So instead, just roll. Try to keep your head in the water. That's a tip I found people like. I don't mean your face. There's a difference between your head and your face. Keep your head in the water. Watch me closely. Not a single hand on or around her. Since you can now breathe on your own and dismount, you are a swimmer. You are a swimmer. You're defined as a swimmer. So congratulations, you came here to become a swimmer. In day 3, you became a swimmer. Email me if you want your own private lessons in person with me in Austin, or if you need me to come to your city, we can try to make arrangements for that too. Follow us on the other social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, Threads for shorter tips and clips throughout the week. Check out our merch over on the website. And with that said, get ready to rock it.